In today's video, let's talk about how to use the Chase Freedom Rise card benefits. Now, in order to use the benefits that is provided with the card, you must first of all activate and use its cashback multipliers as well as some of its partner perks that it provides. So firstly, what you can do is use the card for everything to earn an automatic and unlimited 1.5% cashback on your all standard purposes. So this is the first benefit that you get, which is the 1.5 cashback benefit. Secondly, you'll need to activate the partner perks as well as the statement credits. So you'll need to simply link one of your checkings account and then activate the automatic payments within the first 3 months in order to receive the $25 statement credit. Also, you'll be able to link your DoorDash in order to claim the complimentary as well as zero delivery fees. So these are some of the benefits that you can do, and you can also redeem it within cashbacks as well as through different travel portals. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.